and this is a small video regarding my project presentation. So let me begin the slideshow. So as you can see, the project title is Truth Lens AI powered fake news detection, and this is a project done by me. This is Devyashri, myself, and Ashwin Raj, my teammate. Okay. So let me begin with a short introduction. So AI powered fake news detection. As we know, there is a rapid growth of online social media, which is leading to an unprecedented surge of and widespread of fake information and misinformation. So our project is sole reason. The development of the project is only for uh, to quit this widespread of misinformation. So there are traditional methods like identification of the fake news and to mitigate it, and these are all generated manually, and these are very time consuming. So that if there is a information, there's a spread of fake information, before it reaches a larger mass, it can be prohibited in an advanced period. So to stop that, we have this project. But then the general traditional methods are time taking, time consuming. So by that time, news would have spread to wider masses. So additionally, the sheer volume and diversity and online content make it very challenging to detect the human moderators to efficiently and accurately detect the fake news. So the statement of a problem. So as we know, let me just check if I'm recording it correctly or not. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me continue. So the problem at our hand is that accurate detection and classification of fake news across various online platforms. So we need to detect it at a proper stage. So this false news can lead to severe implications for the public trust, social stability, and decision making. Next, the scope of the project. So multimodal analysis. And so initially we'll be integrating text, the images, and the metadata analysis of any content, and then real-time fact checking. This AI powered system, no, it'll help us in checking whether from the news articles and other social media posts which have been prevalent in that particular phase, and other online content provided by the users, and check if the facts are very true and honest and reliable. Next, the domain specific adaptation, like tailor fake news detection models, and for various domains like politics, health, finance, technology, etc., and ensures that adaptability to different contexts and misinformation patterns, scalability and robustness, checking the robustness and scalability of the model, and then accurate misinformation detection. It leverages the AI and machine learning models and identifies and classifies whether the fake news is with high accuracy, addressing the growing challenge of misinformation in digital media. And what is the sole project? What is the sole purpose of the project? So AI powered fake news detection. The purpose of AI powered fake news detection project is to utilize machine learning techniques and to develop an automated system capable of accurately detecting and classifying fake news across various digital platforms. Initially, it enhances credibility, it improves efficiency, and promotes informed decision making. And this is the proposed methodology generated by us. Data collection will be collecting data related to related to you know the I mean, if there is a particular news, if it's fake or true, to identify that, we initially have to collect data related to that particular information, and then process the data. Data pre-processing is nothing but we have to process the data, analyzing if the news given in it is related to other contents and articles that are currently available, and then model development, developing a model, and feature selection and optimizing techniques, using optimization techniques, and integration and testing. Finally, integrate and test, and then deployment and maintenance of the project. This is the architecture diagram. So initially, we'll be extracting data from the net, and then collect data, cleanse the data, and then extracting the linguistic features and key points and all from the data, and feature selection, training and testing the data, model training, and tuning, and then model evaluation, trained model. And if you give a proper query, for example, check whether this news is true or not, and after you provide this information, it will be tested whether it is real or fake, and will be obtaining a certain output. So expected results and implications. What can be accomplished, like higher accuracy in detecting fake news, improved efficiency in detecting true or false news, and public awareness and trust is enhanced. Also, it combats the speed of misinformation. So these are the algorithms we are generally using: text classification algorithm, multimodal analysis, and fact checking algorithm, adversarial detection technique algorithms. Okay, this is the hardware and software selection, implementation. So this is the code that we have used. So initially evaluation, training and testing the data that we have, and then we have to print the statements are correct or not, and pre-process the data, prediction state, and see, for example, there is this information that we are asking the, the model, if it's true or not. So this is checked and generated from the Google, Google previous information and previous history, and then from that we are obtaining if news is fake. And check the second example as well: the civilians killed in single US airstrike have been identified. So this news has been found from other articles, all the articles, and the blooming history and blooming widespread information in the internet at the current period is checked and analyzed, and from that we get a certain output that the news is real or fake. Next, accuracy. This is the accuracy rate that we are getting from testing the data set, and accuracy score on training data. So SDG goals, these are the SDG goals, like enhanced fake news detection, combating disinformation, AI powered social impact, domain specific applications, advancement in ethical AI development. So to conclude this, advancements in fake news detection. So the review of literature and existing models of fake news detection demonstrated significant progress in application of AI, particularly deep learning and NLP techniques to combat misinformation. Techniques such as transformers, recurrent neural networks (RNNs), and ensemble learning have proven effective in identifying and classifying fake news, especially in text-based data sets. So if it is text-based, it can be easily verified and identified from the information that is already currently existing. So the challenges and opportunities that are relatable to the project. So despite the advancements that are happening, so the challenges which persist in fake news detection generally include data bias, context understanding, and rapid evolution of disinformation tactics. So model generalization across diverse domains, limited label datasets, etc., are in the need for real-time detection, also pose significant obstacles. So as compared to other datasets and other models that have been already created and are existing, we have a higher accuracy rate that we are able to provide from this certain project that we have created. And the future directions, which should especially focus on model interpretability, enhancing performance in cross-domain fake news detection, and leveraging multimodal data like images, videos, and text for accurate identification of misinformation. And this is the scope of the project that is provided over here. So the future work can be done in scalability and efficiency. Advanced architectures can be developed, and domain-specific applications, transfer learning. So there's some more provided, and these are the references that we have used. By the end of this project, I would also like to thank my mentor, Dr. G. Bhuvaneshwari, also my teammate, Ashwin Raj, also his mentor, Dr. Selakumarias. And so, yeah, this is the conclusion of the project. Thank you so much.